What up? This edition of Fat Boy Fresh, we're gonna be doing the Raw Purple Seamoss. So we coming up on the holidays, we about to be having all these rich foods, and we gotta give ourselves some balance, baby. That's what Fat Boy Fresh is about. We fat, but we can get fresh. Do yourself a favor, make yourself some Purple Seamoss. You got a slow thyroid, you got a slow metabolism, you want to get that out? Well, say less. This edition of Fat Boy.
Tired of the same old same, I play this lame. Who's gonna change the game? Fat Boy Fresh. Yup. Dat Boy Fresh. Red 1, bread 2, check. Fat Boy. Fat Boy Fresh. Yup. Fat Boy Fresh. Tired of the same old same, I play this lame. Who's gonna change the game? Fat Boy Fresh. Yup. Dat Boy Fresh. Red 1, bread 2, check. Fat Boy. Fat Boy Fresh. Yup. Fat Boy Fresh. Fat Boy Flex. Slice, dice, and crush. You make salads and dollars and salads and maids and Italian, Asian, and Cajun. Yup. Fat Boy Fresh. Yeah, Dat Boy. Every step, every step, every step, every fresh and fresh. It's It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. Box the caps, tees the hoodies, got your goodies. I cooked your favorite foodie, got athletics. Yeah, it's the Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. It's the new Fat Boy Freshness. Fat Boy Freshness. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.